Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change background of any pictures in PicsArt step by step. So before we start, I request you to subscribe to my channel because I cannot do anything without your support. So let's start the video. First of all, open PicsArt app in your phone, then click on the plus icon and select your background. Once you add your background, now scroll right and click on Add Photos and select your photo. And then adjust your photo where you want it. Now click on this icon. Select Erase. And here you can select your brush size. Also, you can change opacity or hardness. When you adjust brush size, then start brushing to remove the old background. Now I am going to speed up this part because it is so boring. If you brush too much, click on the Restore button and restore the part you want. When you brush it all, then click on here. If you want, then click on Adjust. Now you can adjust the person with the background to look good. Once you adjust it, then click on the upper right corner. Now you can simply save the photo to your phone gallery. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.